pre-fertilization events. So what are the pre-fertilization events? First is the gametogenesis, that is there must be the formation of gametes. So after the gametes are formed, then the gametes should be transferred. So after the gametes are transferred, what is the next stage? There must be a fusion of gametes, right? So fertilization, which is also called syngamy, there occurs a fusion of gametes to form a diploid zygote. So diploid zygote is formed. But in some cases, like rotifers, honeybees, some lizards, birds, like turkey, this female gamete, it develops to new organism even without fertilization. That is, without the fusion that leads to the formation of new organisms. So that is called the parthenogenesis. So parthenogenesis is the formation of new organisms without fertilization, right? So I hope you are clear, right? Any doubts in this? So this shows the fusion of so this shows the fusion of isogametes. So fusion of gametes to form a zygote, which leads to the formation of new individual. So normally the fertilization occurs by the fusion of gametes, that is sperm with the egg, and leads to the formation of zygote, right? So that is the fertilization. So actually these steps, they are occurring in a sequential order. This first is the pre-fertilization effort, that is pre-fertilization, which is followed by the fertilization and the post-fertilization event. So they may ask you to arrange in order of these processes. So we have to be clear with the order of this. So if you understand the concept, you can answer any type of question. Okay.